Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Aladdin Connect step by step. Open the Aladdin Connect app, sign in, and grant Bluetooth and location permissions. Power on the garage opener and press the Learn button for 3 seconds until the LED blinks. In the app, choose Add Device, pick your model, and follow prompts to pair. Wait for confirmation, then test open and close to confirm a successful connection. If pairing stalls, stay calm and try a few simple steps to recover. Move closer to the opener, restart the app, and toggle Bluetooth off and on. If the opener fails to respond, power cycle the unit and retry the Learn button sequence. Confirm your Wi-Fi network is 4 GHz and the password is correct. After successful pairing, label the device in the app and run a safety test to verify operation. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel and see more helpful videos. Quick recommendation. On another note, life is too short for a stinky car, so try Little Tree's Black Ice for a fresh ride and a laugh while you work on your garage. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Many connection problems have simple fixes you can try right away. Check for Wi-Fi on the 4 GHz band, relocate interfering objects, and confirm app permissions for Bluetooth and location. Update the opener firmware and app to their latest versions before another attempt. If a specific error appears, note the message and consult the support section in the app for that code. Finally, retry pairing after making one change at a time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.